Hello children, welcome to the mathematics period. We are continuing with lesson number 8, addition and subtraction, part 4. Last session you have learned subtraction. We will continue with subtraction and today's contents are subtraction by borrowing and word problems. Now what is subtraction by borrowing? We use subtraction by borrowing method when we have to subtract bigger number from smaller number. Now let us see one example. Here one example is given 31 minus 4. Now as per the step, we will first subtract the numbers in ones place. Now what are the numbers in ones place? 1 minus 4. Here 1 is a smaller number and 4 is a bigger number. So can we subtract 4 from 1? No, because 4 is bigger than 1. In such cases, we use subtraction by borrowing method. Now let us further understand with the help of picture. Children, here we see 31 in the form of sticks. 3 tens plus 1 1 minus 4 loose sticks. Now, if we have to subtract the numbers from ones place, then can we subtract 4 sticks from 1 stick? No. Then what should we do? We have 3 tens as well. So, we will borrow 1 10 from tens place to ones place. Now, if you see, at ones place, we got 1 10 plus 1 1, that is 11. Now, can we subtract 4 from 11? Yes. So, what is 11 minus 4? 7. Correct. So, we have shown 7 sticks below it. Now, in our example also, we have striked off 1 and written number 11 by borrowing 1 10 from tens place, and we have put that 11 above number 1. Now 11 minus 4 is 7. Now what is the next step? Yes, subtraction of numbers in tens place. Now as 110 is been borrowed by ones place, at tens place we see that there are only 2 tens have left. So we will take them as it is. And here in the example also, we will strike off 3 and put number 2 above it. 3 minus 1 equals to 2 because 1 is been borrowed by ones place. Now write number 2 as it is in the total. So here we get 2 tens plus 7 1. Hence, the subtraction of 31 minus 4, the answer is 27. Have you understood this, children? Okay, let us see some more examples step by step. Let us read this. Look at the given example. 73 minus 5. Now here step 1. Look at the digits in the ones place. 5 is bigger than 3. So we cannot subtract them. So the step 2 is take 110 from the tens place and add it to 3 in the ones place. And 110 equals to 10 ones. Hence 10 plus 3 equals to 13, which has been written over here. Can you see? Yes. Now subtract 5 from 13 to get 13 minus 5 equals to 8. Now change 7 tens to 6 tens in the tens columns. Do you see here? Yes. Now next step is step 3. Write the remaining digit in the tens place as it is. So we have wrote number 6 at the total. Hence 73 minus 5 we get the answer as 68. Let's see next example. 87 minus 59. Children, here 87 is been misprint in our book. So it should be 84. So simply strike it off and write number 4 over here. So it is 84 minus 59. Step 1, now we will read. Look at the digits in the ones place. 9 is bigger than 4. So we cannot subtract them. So step 2 is take 110 from the tens place and add it to 4 in the ones place. And 110 equals to 10 ones. 10 plus 4 equals to 14. So we have written it over here. Now subtract 9 from 14 to get 14 minus 9 equals to 5 over here. Change 8 tens to 7 tens in the tens column. As we have borrowed 1 from tens place, we have to subtract 1 from 8 and the answer will be 7. So which we have put it over here. So we have changed 8 to 7. Now the next step is step 3. Subtract the digit in the tens place. Now we have got 7 and minus 5. So the answer is 2. So answer of 84 minus 59 is 25. This is how we do the subtraction by borrowing. Now let us solve some more examples. A 43 minus 7. Now see children, the numbers in ones place, 7 is bigger than 3. So we cannot subtract it from 3. So we have to borrow 1 from tens place. So how will we write it? We will strike off 3 and we will write 110 and 3 ones, that is 13 above it. Now we will do the subtraction of ones place as 13 minus 7. So how much it is? Yes, 6. So write 6 in the total. Now as we have taken 1 at ones place from tens place, from 4 we have to subtract 1 and we have to write the answer, that is 3 above it. So we have to strike off 4 and write number 3 above it. Now we have to write number 3 as it is in the answer. So the answer is 36. Next, 52 minus 26. Here also at ones place, number 6 is bigger than number 2. So we cannot subtract it. Hence we will borrow 110 from tens place. Hence strike off 2. Write number 12 above it. Now 12 minus 6 is, tell me children? Yes, 6. And after that we have to strike off 5 from tens place. We have to subtract 1 from it and write the answer, which is 4. Now we have to do the subtraction of numbers in tens place. So 4 minus 2 equals to So answer of 52 minus 26 equals to 26. Next, 31 minus 15. Again, in ones place, number 5 is bigger than number 1. Hence, we will do it by borrowing 1, strike 1, write 11 above it. Now 11 minus 5 equals to 6. Write it down over here. Now we have to strike off 3 at tens place and write number 2 above it. Now we will do the subtraction of numbers from tens place. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Hence 31 minus 15 equals to 16. Next, 74 minus 48. Again, in ones place, 8 is bigger than 4. Hence, by borrowing 110, we have to strike off 4 and write number 14 above it. Now, how much is 14 minus 8? Yes, 6. 6. Now, in tens place, strike off 7, write 6 above it. Now, 6 minus 4? Yes, 2. Write number 2 over here. So, we get the answer of 74 minus 48 as 26. Next, 90 minus 73. Here again, 3 is bigger than 0. Hence, by borrowing 110, we have to write number 10 above it, strike off number 0. Now 10 minus 3 equals to 7. Now strike off 9 and write number 8 above it. Now 8 minus 7 equals to 1. Hence 90 minus 73 equals to 17. Next, 62 minus 34. Again, number 4 is bigger than number 2. Hence, we will strike off number 2. We'll borrow 1, 10 and write number 12 above it. Now 12 minus 4 equals to 8. And as we have borrowed 110, we have to subtract it from 6. Hence 6 minus 1, 5. We will write it over here. Now 5 minus 3 equals to 2. And 62 minus 34 is 28. Next, 57 minus 28. Here also 8 is bigger than 7. So, strike off 7, borrow 110 and write 17 above it. So, 17 minus 8 equals to 9. Now, we have to strike off 5 and 5 minus 1, we will write number 4 above it. Now, 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Hence, the answer of 57 minus 28 is 29. Next is 32 minus 9. Again, in ones place, number 9 is bigger than number 2. Hence, we cannot subtract it from 2. Now, let's take 110 and strike off 2 and write number 12 above it. Now, 12 minus 9, 3. We will write over here. Now, in tens place, we will strike off 3 and write number 2 above it. 3 minus 1, which is been borrowed by ones place. Hence, we have to subtract it and the answer is 2, which we have written above it. Now 2 minus 0. So it comes 2 only. Hence 32 minus 9 equals to 23. Have you understood, children? Now, let us move to the next concept. Word problems. Let us see word problem. There were 46 animals in the zoo. 29 ran away. How many are left? So, how many animals in the zoo? 46. So, let us write number 46 over here. 29 ran away. So, we'll write number 29 over here. How many are left? To find this, we have to subtract 29 from 46. Now, let us see the numbers in the ones place. 6 minus 9. 9 being the bigger number than 6, we cannot subtract it. Hence, here we have to use subtraction by borrowing method. So, what is the next step, children? Yes, we have to borrow 1 from tens place. So, we will strike off 6 and we will write 16 above it. 110 plus 6. Now, can we subtract 9 from 16? Yes. So, 16 minus 9. How will you do? Yes. Keep 9 in the mind and open the fingers and count after 9 till 16. That is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7. 7 is the answer. Now, as we have taken 1, 10 from tens place, we have to strike off 4 and 4 minus 1, 3, we have to write above it. So, 3 minus 2 is 1. Hence, the answer is 17. 17 animals left in the zoo. Write the answer over here. 17 animals. Okay, children. Now let's see next example. Mummy got 32 pastries for Arushi's birthday. How many pastries? 32. The children ate 29. So let's write number 29 over here. How many are left? To find this out, we have to do the subtraction. So put minus sign before 29. So let us do the subtraction of numbers in ones place. 2 minus 9. 9 is a bigger number than 2. Hence we have to use the borrowing method. So we will take 110 from tens place. So strike 2 and write number 12 over here. Now we can do the subtraction of 12 minus 9. What is the answer? Yes, 3. So write it over here. Now as we have taken 110 from tens place, we have to subtract 1 from 3. Hence the answer is 2, which we have to write above 3. So 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So how many pastries left? 3 pastries. Right over here. 3 pastries. Okay, children? Okay. Let us take next example. Manav had 25 balloons. Let's write 25 over here. He gave 12 to his sister. How many balloons he gave? 12. How many balloons are left with Manav? To find this out, we have to do subtraction. So put minus sign. Now let us do the subtraction of numbers in ones place first. 5 minus 2. Can we subtract 2 from 5? Yes, we can. So 5 minus 2, what is the answer? 3, correct. And subtraction at tens place, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 25 minus 12, answer is 13 balloons. Write down over here. Yes. Have you got this, children? Okay. Let us move ahead. Children, now further we are seeing how much do you know. Now we have completed this lesson addition and subtraction by various methods. Now we will solve some more examples using the methods we have learned. So first question is add or subtract. 65 plus 27. So we have to do the addition over here. 5 plus 7, answer is 12. But can we write 12 in one place? No. So we have to write 2 at one place over here, and we have to carry over 1 at tens place. Do you remember, children? Yes. Now what is the next step? We have to do the addition of all three numbers at tens place, including the carried over number. So 1 plus 6 equals to 7. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So 9 is the answer. Next, 53 plus 9. Here also 3 plus 9 equals to 12. So 2 we will write in the ones place and we will carry over 1 at tens place. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 62 is the answer. Next, let's read the example. 90 minus 43. Here we have to do the subtraction. Children, please look at the signs carefully before solving the example. It is very important. Now 90 minus 43. First we have to do the subtraction of numbers in ones place. So 0 minus 3. 3 is bigger than 0. Hence what should we do? Yes, we should do the subtraction by borrowing method. So let us take 110 from tens place. Hence strike 0 and write 1 and 0, that is 10 above it. Now we can subtract 3 from 10. Right, children? So 10 minus 3 equals to 7. And as we have taken 110 from tens place, we have to subtract 1 from 9 and write the answer as 8 above it. So now we will do the subtraction of numbers in tens place. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Correct. So answer is 47. Next, 73 minus 39. In ones place, 3 minus 9, wherein 9 is bigger than 3. So we have to take 110 from tens place. We have to borrow it and strike off 3. Write number 13 above it. 13 minus 9 equals to 4. Now strike off 7 and write 6, as we have given 110 to ones place. Now 6 minus 3 equals to 3, and 73 minus 39 equals to 34. Let us move ahead. Question number 2. Circle the correct answer. First is 78 plus 20 equals to 98 or 90 or 78. Children, here we have to solve the example horizontally, find out the answer and then circle the correct answer. So for this, we will just put the places as T and O above the numbers. So 7 is at tens place and 8 is at ones place in 78. And in 20, 2 is at tens place and 0 is at ones place. So while doing addition of two-digit numbers, we add numbers at ones place first. So which are the numbers at ones place? 8 and 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Let us write it over here. Now we will do addition of numbers at tens place. So which numbers are at tens place? 7 and 2. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Correct. So what is the correct answer? 98. So we find it over here and circle it. Now next. 13 plus 69 equal to 72 or 82 or 79. Let us find out with the same method. Let's write tens place, ones place. Tens place, ones place. So let's do the addition of ones place first. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12, correct, which is a 2-digit number. Hence we will write 2 over here and we will take 1 which is been carried over. Now let us do the addition of numbers in tens place including this 1. So which is 1 plus this 1 is 2 and 2 plus this 6 is 8. So the answer of tens place numbers is 8 and the correct answer is 82. Circle over here. Got it, children? Let's see some more examples. 83 minus 43. Same way we will do tens place, ones place. Tens place and ones place. Now let us do the subtraction of numbers in ones place. Which numbers are at ones place? Yes, 3 minus 3. So the answer is 0. And numbers at tens place are 8 minus 4. So what is 8 minus 4? 4, correct. So the correct answer is 40. Let's circle over here. Good. Now 70 minus 28. Next example, 70 minus 28. Let's write tens and ones. Tens and ones. Now let us do the subtraction of numbers in ones place. 0 minus 8. So can we subtract 8 from 0? No. So we have to carry over. So we have to borrow 110 from tens place. Hence it will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Correct. And now we have to strike this 7 and write 6 as we have given 110 to ones place. Hence now we will do the subtraction of tens place, that is 6 minus 2 which is 4, correct. Hence the correct answer is 42. Circle over here. Have you understood this, children? Yes. Let's see a few more examples. Let us read this. Sonal had 25 toffees. Her father gave her 16 more. She gave 10 toffees to her sister. How many toffees does she have now? Children, we have to solve this word problem very carefully. Let us write it down. Sonal had 25 toffees. So write 25 over here. Her father gave her 16 more. So we have to do the addition of 16. So 25 plus 16. So first we have to get the answer of 25 plus 16. What is the answer, children? You tell me. Yes, here again we have to do the addition of ones place first. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So write 1 at ones place and carry over 1 at tens place over here. Now we have to do the addition of numbers in tens place, including carried over number. So 1 plus 2 over here is 3. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So what is the answer? 41. Now Sonal has total 41 toffees with her. Now she gave 10 toffees to her sister. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 10 from 41 and get the answer. So let us find out the answer. Here again by using ones place subtraction first. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 4 minus 1 is 3. Hence the answer is 31. 31 toffees. Have you got it, children? Let's do the next one. There were 22 crocodiles in a zoo. 21 more crocodiles were brought from another place. So this is the addition. We have to find out the total number of crocodiles. So 22 plus 21. Now you tell me the answer. You do it on your own. Yes, it's 43. Correct. Now, then 12 crocodiles were taken away. So we have to subtract 12 from 43. How many crocodiles are there in the zoo now? So 43 minus 12 equals to, you do it children and tell me, what is the answer? Yes, 31. Correct. So answer is 31 crocodiles. Write it down over here. Correct. Let's move to the next. There are 14 twins in the children's ward. 12 more children join them. How many children are there in the ward now? Children, do you know what are twins? Yes, two brothers or sisters who are of same age, real brothers or sisters who are of same age and who look alike. You know twins, right? So 14 twins means 14 pairs of 2 children each. Yes. So what we have to do here? First we have to add 14 into 14. So we will get the total number of children. What is 14 plus 14? Do it and tell me. Yes, 28. Now 12 more children join them. So here also we have to do the addition. 28 plus 12. So what is 28 plus 12? Tell me children. 40. Yes, this you have to do by carryover method. Right children? Yes, the answer is 40 children. Correct children? Yes, this is how you have to read the word problem properly, use the correct sign and then solve the example. Now, let us move ahead. Values and life skills. Let's read the word problem. There were 28 students in the class. Let us write number 28 here. 15 new students joined in. 15 new students joined in. How many students are there in the class now? So we have to add 15 in 28. We have to do the addition. So let's do the addition of numbers in ones place first. 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So we will write number 3 here and we will carry over 1 over here. Now we will do the addition of numbers in tens place. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. What is the answer children? Correct, 4. So 28 plus 15 equals to 43. How many students are there? 43 students. So write the answer over here. Is it good to make friends with new students? Yes, you should make friendship with new students. Okay, children? Okay, now You can write down these examples in your textbook, and these are few more examples for your homework. You can find this out in your textbook at page number 119, 120 and 121. So we have completed chapter addition and subtraction over here. Thank you children. Bye bye.